Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County and central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County and central North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles Carolina Zoo, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, North Carolina Zoo, Robbins, Harper's Crossroads, High Falls, Coleridge, and Glendon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, north central Cumberland County in central North Carolina.
I caught something. It's the third one, baby.